Welcome back. I'm Uday Pratap Singh. You're joining us on NewsX. Some breaking news coming in this hour. During an address in Bhubaneswar, Odisha today, Prime Minister Modi has made a big statement. He has asserted that while he was in Canada for the G7 summit, US President Donald Trump invited him for dinner. When he was in Canada, he extended a warm visit to visit Washington, though PM had to humbly decline the offer as he wanted to come and offer prayers to Mahaprabhu in Odisha.
साथियों, अभी 2 दिन पहले मैं कनाडा में G7 समिट के लिए वहां था और अमेरिका के राष्ट्रपति ट्रंप ने मुझे फोन किया। उन्होंने कहा कि अब कनाडा तो आए ही हैं तो वॉशिंगटन होकर के जाइए, साथ में खाना खाएंगे, बातें करेंगे। उन्होंने बड़े आग्रह से निमंत्रण दिया। मैंने अमेरिका के राष्ट्रपति को कहा कि आपका निमंत्रण के लिए धन्यवाद, मुझे तो महाप्रभु की धरती पर जाना बहुत जरूरी है। और इसलिए मैंने उनके निमंत्रण को नम्रतापूर्वक मना किया और आपका प्यार, महाप्रभु की भक्ति मुझे इस धरती पर खींच करके ले आई।
Anand Singh is with us on the broadcast for more on this story. Anand, Prime Minister Modi is saying that he wanted to come and pray. He wanted to come before Mahaprabhu, which is why he had to say no to Donald Trump.
Yeah, look, Prime Minister Narendra Modi was there to attend the G7 meeting, and he also visited 2 other countries. So he was having a complete packed itinerary with him. And he has also to travel to Bihar, where the elections are due later this year.
Anand, we are talking about Prime Minister Modi's statement on declining Donald Trump's offer. Anand, are you able to hear me?